Wishing everyone a very happy Holi. People celebrate the carnival of colors by smearing each other's faces with festival colors and colored water. It is a time for repairing relationships and laughing with family and friends. Colors used in Holi are symbolic of various things. The color green symbolizes new life and new beginnings. Yellow reminds people of turmeric, a popular spice used in Indian food. God Krishna is represented by the color blue. Amidst the hues of holy colors, I bring to you a special treat, baked gujiyas. For this, we take all purpose flour, to which we add little sugar and make it into a tight dough. For the filling, we roast semolina and coconut that blend so well. To this, we add khoya, and its magic is a heavenly spell. With almonds, pistachios, cashews, and jaggery powder, we fill the gujiyas and bake them golden light. Gujiyas are ready, crisp and grand, a taste of love made by hand. With every bite, let's enjoy happiness, love, and all good things. So come, let's feast, let's dance, let's play. Wishing everyone a happy Holi today.